If you're constantly getting up to bring things to a loved one who can't easily reach their nightstand or get up on their own and get their water, their remote, and their meal, then this table eliminates that back and forth. And most importantly, it gives them the ability to do more for themselves. Hi, I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder at AskSAMIE, where we help make everyday tasks safer and easier using OT-approved tools. Okay, so I know you have seen like a hospital tray table in the hospital, but they're really awesome for home use. So if your person can't necessarily reach over to the nightstand, maybe you don't have one, or they're losing things in the bed, it can make your caregiver work a lot easier if you have something for them to place their things on top of. And it also could just help make them be more independent and more self-sustaining, which they're going to appreciate too. So making sure that you have a hospital bed table, overbed table, can really work in a lot of situations. So here I'm showing you how it looks and works over a bed. You just push the tab here and put some pressure and you can lower it down or raise it up to the height that you want it to be at. I'm going to let it down, and then you can see that as I roll it, it can be right here over top of me, so I can get to access to it while I'm in the bed. I can move it to the side really easily, push it out the way. The other good thing is that it works well often by the side of a couch or a lift chair, or at maybe your kitchen table isn't quite the right height for a wheelchair to push under. This works great. It's really steady and secure. You see, I've had this cup of coffee and these two things on here rolling it around this whole time, and they didn't come off. And it gives you the space that you need in order to do what needs to be done, whether that's writing or drawing or eating or drinking or setting up a tablet in order to watch it. So it has a lot of really good functions, really cost-effective way to help people feel and maintain their independence at the things that are kind of the most important, like feeding yourself. You really want to be able to do that on your own. So having the adjustability of a bedside table can really help with that. Now, what makes this overbed table stand out as an OT recommendation is versatility. It's not just for the bed. That rolling base can slide under most beds, recliners, lift chairs, and sofas, so it follows your loved one wherever they spend their time. The height adjusts from around 28 inches to 44 inches to fit a wide range of bed heights and seating positions, and the tilting tabletop is ideal for reading, writing, or using a tablet at a comfortable angle. And the swivel casters lock in place so there's no unwanted movement during use. Holds up to 50 pounds, so it's sturdy enough to hold a meal, a laptop, and any daily essential needed, so it's an arm reach. For anyone who is working on staying independent at home, or for caregivers who are trying to reduce some of the hands-on assistance, this is one of the highest value, low-cost tools I could recommend. So find it linked below at AskSAMIE and save it for anyone you know who's navigating life at home with limited mobility.